Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hello guys, how you doing? Back with me again, Vorhesz, and today I'm gonna show you how to do the U-turn on a scooter. So this is the basic skill and the basic technique you want to get used and master it ASAP, so you can move into the next practice or training. Okay, so before that you need to use your gears, and I use my gears. Okay, I assume you have mastered the gas and or the throttling and the braking technique, and also the turning technique. You can watch my videos to learn how to balance and throttling, braking, and turning. Okay, that's all the basic, and this is the another level of basic skills you want to master fast. Okay, you need to do this if you want to do the U-turn. It's not the turning. The turning is like halfway turn the handlebar or steering, but the U-turn is using like full turn the steering full like this, and you go by maintain the throttle speed, and also remember put your fingers on both of your braking lever. Okay, so let's do this. It's okay to put your foot near the ground like this, aside. So let's do this like slowly, and do this. You turn the steering to the right if you want to go to right U-turn. I will show you the left U-turn also in this video, but now we do the right U-turn. Okay, you turn the handlebar or the steering like this, it's full. Okay, and you do the throttling like very slow and smooth. Okay, like this. And after you do the U-turn, you make the steering center to go forward again. Okay, that's really easy. I know you can do it. And for the notes, it's just a normal road. The wider the better you practice, so it's easier if you have a wider space in the parking lot, maybe in the field. So this normal road, yeah, I can say this is just okay. It's okay. It's not too wide, but it's okay. It's the real thing you will see on the road, on the highway. Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. The right U-turn. I want to go a little bit forward here, and I stop. Use the brake, twist or turn the steering or the handlebar like this, and use the throttle. And you can see my foot down below as my throttling. You can hear it, the sound. Okay, that's it. The basic, the one who gives the power to push the scooter is the throttle. The foot is just to balance or to make you stand still on your scooter when it's maneuver or it's turning. Okay, it's easy, simple. Do it again. Twist the steering like this, turn it like full way, use the throttle. Okay, this one I use only the steering. I don't use the body because this for beginners, so I suggest you to use the steering technique, not the body like this. This can be done also, but this time I want to show you how to use the steering. Just the steering is super easy for beginners especially. Okay, so let's do the left U-turn. Maybe in some occasion you will do this, but yeah, usually I do the right U-turn. But yeah, some occasion maybe you need to do the left U-turn. Okay, let's get to it. Twist or turn your handlebar full to the left like this, and start to throttle, start to gas the scooter, and that's it. When you have do the U-turn, you just twist or turn your handlebar to go straight again, and you can go straight like this. Okay, one important thing, maybe if you do this maybe in a little bit narrow road, a small road, or you might do this like not full turning the handlebar or steering not in a full position, you might really have do like this. Okay, you will fall, or you will yeah, you will fall if you still twist the throttle or give a gas to your scooter. So you need to do the braking, and you twist or you turn the handlebar like this. This we do the left U-turn. You do this and you push it back a little bit, and you twist it again like this, and you go again like this. Yeah, easy, right? This, what's your really common mistake is panic when the throttle twists a little bit too much and you will jump a little bit. So that's need to be mastered at the stop and go training, the balance training. You need to master the throttling or the gas practice. Yeah, so that's all the U-turn basic U-turn technique or skills or practice. You can do it like as much as you want. After you turning practice, you can do the U-turn practice like this, maybe 5 minutes doing the right U-turn, then 5 minutes doing the left U-turn. It's 10 minutes a day maybe. Yeah, it's a good amount of practice. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you to ride a scooter, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.